The studies that I've seen on engineering has said that there's a flooding of students with engineering degrees that cannot find a job right now because the market is so full of them. So that is a concern, that we're pushing these kids towards STEM careers where there is just so many already that can't get a job enough already.
Number one, that's not the case in Utah. While maybe that's a national study, I'm not sure. But with the tech companies that are locating here in Utah, you talk to Adobe, you talk to eBay, and those that are building companies here, I mean, they have 6, 7 jobs per applicant available.
Okay.
So the differential is pretty significant on a local level. I'm not sure.
Well, my brother is in Milwaukee. He works for a hydraulic company there as a head engineer. And he flies to India, Bangalore, India, twice a year to hire more Indian engineers because we're not making them in America. So that's
well, we're obviously not hiring them at the very least. And
yeah.
I know that there's a lot of, I mean, with the economy on a national level at this day, I know that Utah's economy went down to 4.6, I believe. But I know nationally, we're, you know, the U6 is saying we're at 11%. So, I mean, they're out there. So I don't know why we have to go to India when
He would rather hire Americans, but he can't find them.
Because they're out of the system.
He doesn't like going there to hire them because he says they're not creative.
Yeah.
He says he has to assign an American engineer to each of his engineers from India because they, in their society, they're taught not to question their professor, for example.
So then
here you challenge your professor. Everybody can become president, but there's these layers of that you don't go above, and it's not respectful to challenge. So you don't think outside the box. You're not trained to be creative.
So then I would say there's a human resource or PR problem of getting that marketing, that job position available because it's not being seen. My second